Hi friends, good afternoon. This is Vinay Mudraj. Welcome to my channel. This is my fourth lecture. In previous lectures, we have seen that about classification of open channel flows. In today's lecture, we are going to see about the most economical sections. A section is said to be most economical when it satisfies these two conditions. Okay, let us see the conditions. The first condition is that the cost of the construction should be minimum, and the second condition is that the weighted perimeter for a given discharge should be minimum. Okay, when a channel is satisfies these two conditions, then it is said to be the most economical section. Okay, the cost of the construction is nothing but when we are going to be constructed any channel, the cost should be minimum. And whereas the second one, the weighted perimeter for a given discharge the discharge should be minimum. Then this when the channel is satisfying these two conditions, then it is said to be the most economical sections. Okay, there are mainly three most economical sections are there. Those are a rectangular channel, trapezoidal and circular channel. These three channels are said to be the most economical sections. Let us derive an equation for the rectangular, trapezoidal and circular sections. Let us discuss about the most economical rectangular channel. For the most economical section of rectangular channel is one which has the hydraulic radius equal to the half of the depth. Here in this rectangular channel, the hydraulic radius is equals to the half of the depth of the channel. Then it is said to be the most economical rectangular section. And the depth of the channel, nothing but here that the depth, this is the depth is equals to the half of the width. Then that is it is known as the most economical section. Let us derive an equation for the rectangular channel. Yeah, let us discuss about the most economical rectangular channel. Earlier we have seen that the conditions of this most economical section of rectangular channel. Let us consider a rectangular channel. This is the width of the channel considered to be as b, and in which the water is flowing up to the consider this is to be the depth of the channel d. And let us consider the area of the channel can be written as a is equals to b into d. As we all know, the rectangular channel area, that is nothing but area is equals to b into d. Simply we can written as a is equals to b into d. This is considered to be an equation 1. And weighted perimeter weighted perimeter of the channel p is equals to we can written as b plus d plus having here also another depth d. Simply we can write as b plus d plus d 2d. So p equals to perimeter b plus 2d. This is considered to be an equation 2. Okay, from equation 1 we can written as b equals to a by d. This is considered to be an equation 3. Okay, from equation substitute equation 3 in equation 2, then what we get, p is equals to, in the place of b we can written as a by d. Therefore a by d plus 2 into d, isn't it? This is considered to be an equation 4. Okay, for most economical section, perimeter should be minimum for given area. Therefore differentiate perimeter with respect to D, okay, equals to 0. So now differentiate equation 4 with respect to D. What is equation 4? We got that A by D plus 2D, isn't it, equals to 0. D by D of A by D plus of 2D equals to 0. We can d by D of AD can be written as minus A by D square plus differentiate with respect to D is we can get 2 equals to 0. We can written as 2 equals to A by D square, okay. A is equals to 2D square, isn't it? We get area equals to 2D square. From equation 1 what we get, A is equals to B into D, isn't it? Therefore B into D equals to 2D square, isn't it? B can be written as 2D square by D. D cancel, B is equals to 2D, okay. B can be written as 2D. Now hydraulic depth. Hydraulic depth formula M is equals to A by P. What we get, area is equals to B into D. By perimeter is nothing but B plus 2D we got, isn't it or not? Exactly, what we get is B plus D into, in the place of B we need to now in the place of B we substitute 2D plus, in this place of D we can write as D, and in the place of D again 2D plus 2D. Therefore M is equals to 2D, B into D now it is into not plus into D by 2 plus 2 4D is equals to 2D square by 4D. M equals to, now D get cancelled, 2 uh, 2D by 4 is equals to D by 2, isn't it? M equals to 2 by 2. For most economical section, B is equals to 2D, or M can be written as D by 2, isn't it? Hydraulic mean depth is nothing but depth is equals to half of the width, then it is said to be the most economical section. It is satisfies, okay. This is the derivation of the most economical rectangular section, okay. Thank you guys.